What's up, everyone? We're back with another Tesla interview question solved. We're going to solve today's problem in just 3 steps. 1, review our problem. 2, attempt our solution. And 3, review our problem. So, beginning with step 1, today's problem asks us which statement is correct. A, all 3 of our items are in spec. B, A meets our specification, but B and C don't. C, B and C meet the specification, A doesn't. Or D, A and B meet the specification, but C does not. So the important information in this problem is we're given this part with 3 items, and we need to know which are in spec and which are not. So notice that the problem shows us a feature control frame. And what a feature control frame is a rectangle that's broken up into containers, and it has the characteristic symbol followed by the tolerance value and the applicable datum reference features. So here we are told that we have a position diameter tolerance of 2 units, and that applies to datum A and B. So that means items 1 and 2 have an allowable tolerance of 2 units. And we're also told that item 3 has a diameter tolerance of plus or minus 1 unit, 10 plus or minus 1 unit. So that's the important information. Now let's move on to our solution. Really all we need to do is list out the items for part A, part B, and part C. And we want to go through those items and see if they are in specification. So if they are within the tolerances that we are given in the feature control frame and this diameter tolerance. For part A, item 1, we're told that it's 25 units. So that's within 2 units as defined by our feature control frame with respect to datum A. Item 2 is 26. That is also within 2 units, and our feature control frame as referenced by datum B. Item 3 is 9.2. That's within our diameter tolerance of plus or minus 1 of 10 plus or minus 1 unit. So that all looks good. Doing the same thing for part B. I'm not going to go through all of these because you could do that on your own, but we're going to find again that item 1, 2, and 3 are within the tolerances. And for part C, items 1, 2, and 3 are again all within the tolerances specified by our feature control frame and by our diameter tolerance. So every item is in spec for parts A, B, and C. Now, which of the options was that from the answers? Well, that was option A. All 3 are in spec. So I hope this kind of gave you a little insight into geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, kind of what a feature control frame is and how you can read tolerances for items and for parts. If you found any issues with this, please leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Only a couple more of these videos, and then I'm going to move on to something else. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.